welcome back to my channel. This is ASHANAH'M here, and today, as you've seen in the thumbnail and the intro, I'm going to be doing a Morticia Addams makeup tutorial. Morticia is just like, she just slays Halloween. Like, she just super glammed and super chic and just bougie a little bit, like Halloween bougie. So I love Morticia. I love the Addams Family. That's my favorite movies of Halloween. So I'm going to be recreating her makeup look, of course, color girl friendly, of course. So we're gonna get started. I usually do my brows off camera, but today I'm gonna do them on camera. But the simple fact is they're not gonna look super different, but just different than usual. So I'm gonna just basically, you know, use the same products I always use. Like, there's nothing different. I'm just gonna make them a little bit more darker than usual because my brows usually are light to maybe dark brown, depending on the day. So we're gonna get started on these brows.
Control you just as in a game, but don't try to fight me back. You can't break me. Try it, and you shall see. I'm back. Boo.
Okay, the brows is done, so now I'm gonna basically prime my face. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. I'm not gonna be extra today. Then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blurring prep and blur stick on these pores because we're trying to slay, you know, Morticia skin. Y'all don't see no pimples, you don't see flawlessness, so that's what we're going for today. That's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution foundation in the shade F13. No, F13.5. Sorry, I did a review on this. Everything will be in the description box. So we're gonna just put this everywhere. We're going full coverage because Morticia is full coverage. So we gotta do it Morticia style. We gotta look popping or whatever. We're going straight for the kill.
I'm coming closer.
So we're gonna go with concealer. Her under eyes are like super bright. So we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild concealer. This it can be my shade. This is medium deep tan. So we're gonna go like super highlight under the eyes. Super. Oh, this is the most highlighter I could do because I don't have anything lighter than this. And I don't want to look dead because I'm not Morticia's skin complexion. So I feel like me doing a white face wouldn't give me the look I wanted. So now we're gonna go in with under eye setting powder. Now I'm gonna use my Mercier powder. I'm gonna use a little bit of the LA Girl Pro powder that I don't like. But this is a Halloween look, so I decided to use these for my Halloween looks. So we're gonna just basically put a little in the top of the LA Girl Pro, and then we're gonna use some of the Mercier powder. And just really literally mix it in the top. And then we'll just stick my beauty blender in there. we're not gonna put it for we're not gonna put it for here and here. We're not gonna use another powder for that. So I'm gonna do my nose. So I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance cream contour palette, and we are going to snatch these cheekbones, honey. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f.'s sculpting face brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade, and we're gonna just snatch these cheeks, like snatch them.
I'm here.
Contour powder, you already know what I'm using. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to be using this I'm using It's My Rare 4 brush because it's has a little point, and I'm going to just go into this chocolate shade right here and just go over that, but blend it up. Times MAC. I have a review on this, and I think I should go check it out. So we're gonna just go in with her look is basically simple. We're gonna just go into this chocolate shade right here, and we're gonna just basically put that in the crease.
I'm coming closer.
Any flat brush to your liking, and we're gonna use this silver shade right here, and we're gonna just pop that on the lid.
Right? I'm not only there at night.
With the Makeup Shayla times Color Pop, and we're gonna do a poppin' red lip, because y'all know Morsha has a red lip.